Anything that makes you make that diabolical laugh, you should do.
Or like AP on hit Malphite with the bonus attack range and attack speed.
You're just trying to stun me. Alright,
My cat, jump in here.
I'm pocketing you because the other AD is a rando.
Bird up.
Bird up, feller. Oh, it's Katarina. It's level 4 Katarina trying to do this, bro. That is diabolical. You just auto 3 guys.
Oh my god, it's the double feed, the lock Katarina.
They're gonna be a problem later. Actually, no, I'm playing Janna.
Just knock her up and
Yeah.
yeah, there goes her all.
They're upset.
You have 2 tools to deal with her, which is
Okay,
even more hilarious.
He just did 100 damage to Mike right there. You can win, easy. They're not hitting Mike though. I have shield again. Stand in front, peel. Oh, take a snowball, peel this guy. Oh, kill myself actually. Ooh! Yo, I'm clean, help! Oh, shit.
See ya.
Uh-oh. Oh, 1 second to E.
You actually deal with the Aurelion Soul pretty well too. You make him stop his channels at least.
I still have ult.
I have ult. Please, please, please jump in.
Yeah, I have this somewhere around. He's gonna die. He didn't even ult.
Oh, I fucking missed.
Oh, we are so fucking clean.
Hiya!
Hiya, fighting! I have shield, Mike. He can't kill you. It's alright. We were fighting for 60 years. That's what we do around here.
Yeah, it's about time.
Bro, honestly, I might play Janna. League Classic, thoughts?
Yeah, she was really good.
So you just gotta find an AD for her. We'll just smash bottom. We get high as fuck rank in that shit
Yeah.
too. We have hands. Great Tarek play, guys. Great job, yeah.
Yeah,
Great job.
trying.
Great job to you too, buddy. Great job to everyone there too. I didn't do anything right there. I just stood next to you guys. I didn't even did it E on anyone. Eventually, Katarina's gonna go ahead and like.
I got 5 on ult. I might be able to turn this into a
Fine.
counter.
Huge snowball. Oh, Katarina.
Holy.
Hey,
Look at us.
look at that. The only 3
It's
people
really
alive.
smooth, actually.
Nailed it.
No, I mean this guy's on fucking straight drugs, right? Both of them?
Come on.
Have nice vow for you, Mike. Okay, you killed us, bro. We'll win easily after. Oh!
G-ball.
Yeah! See you later, shitstins. You know me, I'm 1 HP Jan living. I knew that was gonna happen.
Just bump up like that in front of the fucking tower. How that works.
Holy, this damage, dude. Holy.
Oh, Penta. Knocked him up. Taking. Ah, fucking kurwa, blitz, suka! He actually went to stop you, bro. That's crazy.
So funny.
He actually didn't even like. He wanted you to know that you weren't good enough to get that Penta, bro. That's diabolical.
I tried so hard.
Respect, bro. Honestly, those red boots are so fucking OP on her.
Pretty good. Fucking Omni Pimp, you do
Yeah.
splash damage. Mother.
just back. We're just delaying the wave. Oh, this guy's trolling. Okay, now we can go full. Whenever you want. Can't go bush. Can't go bush.
Dig
Yeah,
it, man.
yeah,
Dig
yeah,
it,
yeah.
dig it.
Dig it down. Dig it down. Nope. Scary right here. Scary right here. Kenner, you can hop out. This guy's trolling his balls off though.
Careful, team.
Oh, I did absolutely nothing.
Oh, penta, double penta.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh,
Alone.
Double penta. Dude, I actually unironically shouted double penta. Wow, yeah. Oh my lord. Oh yes, shit's in the Dookie Master. I got mine.
Okay.
Dude, Rek'Sai's a turd right now, by the way. He just did his full combo on this guy for 400.
don't open stream.
He's got Trinity Force.
Trinity Force is so diabolical, bro. How do you have Trinity Force, bro? What up, Cody, by the way? Sorry. Didn't say hi.
No, what's up? Sorry, I'm trying to eat. I'll be ready for next game.
Oh my god, amazing. I guess I need to instantly hit R.
John is
So
the
true.
worst champion in this game. You cannot convince me otherwise.
I'm going Giga this game. But I've been pocketing Mike, so. Yeah, watch out, bro. He's got Trinity Force, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yo, Mike, watch out, bro. Trinity Force is proccing for 200 while you do 3,000 damage per second to him and beat his whole ass. Oh, bro, like, surely they're just not running it down on you, right?
I just happened to pick up Ultimate Revolution, so
I think I have the most broken combination of shit in the entire.
Yeah.
Sometimes the W is like not great, but everything else is like triple S tier, like it's gotta be.
I played against the Leona earlier. I took the picture probably a few minutes before we ended the game. There was a Leona with 75k health. The other team.
Wowie.
That's hilarious.
But she had so much health we couldn't even see her health bar.
Easily 200k damage from Mike right there.